Hi everyone, it's me Chulen Rai. Today I'm going to teach you C programming for the first program that is most of all you have I guess you all have practiced, and the topic is C programming. And for the first I will I'm going to teach you how to uh, okay, first time I should have to. Okay, I'm using here Dev C++, or you can use Visual Studio Code or online compiler. And I'm going to show you the first C programming program, that is Hello World. Okay, guys, I'm going to share the screen. Mm, okay, guys, this is going to be my compiler. Control C, Control N. Okay, first of all, I'm like to show you what I'm going to teach you here. If you are beginner, then I hope you all know most of the teacher or most of the institute show example of C programming of Hello World. Let's start the topic. I'm going to show you Hello World. Okay, so I should have to initialize, include studio that has studio as this is dictionary, or I am going to give him about the main function using the tag, or what you are going to print. You should have to there type print. For the C programming, printf inverted comma. For string, I'm going to use double inverted comma, and for integer I don't use anything. For this is string, so I'm going to hello world. Bye, bye. Okay, now I'm going to hello world. Yeah, I'm going to print, and this may be the okay. Yeah, now I'm going to save it. Save as what you are going to save. I'm going to save as YouTube. YouTube dot for C programming. I'm using C space, and now I'm going to compile it. If there is error, it will show here, and if not, then it will also show here. Yeah, no error. I should have to run them. Guys, look at here. This is the hello world. Okay. Now I'm going to go in depth. Okay, I'm going to slowly going. I will slowly go into depth. Look guys, I have here include studio.h main function. This is the main function, guys. What we have to print, this is the main function. Yeah. Now I'm going to save. Okay, I'm going to print here what okay, I'm going to print here my name, sorry, my name, oh my god, my name is Sulendra. Okay, I'm going to print this, but it is the constant. The symbol is not showing there. Okay, I'm going to print here Sulendra. It is not showing. Okay. Okay, compile. No, I guess I should not have to compile because it's a right either. Yeah, this is the my name is Sulendra, and this is showing the correct answer. Now, mm, I'm going to teach you. Look, guys, this is the answer. Now I'm going to show you the program for making more clear about you. Now I will teach you about the to print from 1 to 100. Okay, to print from 1 to 100. For that, I am going to the main function. For the same main function, I should have to initialize integer or anything. Yeah, initialize integer, but I'm going to integer as 1. For that, I'm using for function is equal for function dot I is equal to 0. I for that 1 to 100. It means 1 is I is less than or equal to, not more than 100. Less than or equal to 100, then I increment. Now look, guys, I'm here using initializing. I'm initializing here I. Okay, in integer I is equal to 0. No 0, it means 0 is for whole number. 1, sorry guys, 1. The children are making sound there. Sorry guys, one time I should have to go there. 1 minute, guys. Sorry guys, the children are making sound there. So now I have initialized integer 1. I am starting from 1 to 100, and here 1 to 100. So 1 I is less than or equal to 100, not more than. Up to 100, it will increment there. Then I should have to. Now I'm going to initialize here. My name is not, that is I'm going to print from from numbers equal to, then I'm using this sign, then Mm. Then I'm using here I, initializing the I. Now let's run the code. I think there must be no error. Running that number is equal to, look guys, there is no printing any number. Okay, there is no printing any number, but it's showing what? Number is equal to, number is equal to. Then I'm going to show you how to print 1 to 100. For that, I'm going to show you. Okay, for that I should have to show you in this writing there. Look example. I'm going to show you. I have initialized as I is equal to I. Then I is less, I is equal to, first I is equal to 0 1. I is equal to 1 1. Then 1 is equal, 1 is less than or equal to 100, and up to that the I will be what? Increment. Okay, 1 1 1 increment there. Then for that I'm using printf is equal to num. Then for that I'm giving your number. Okay, for that for that uh, for that I'm going to show you. Yeah, percent d ln. For that I'm going to percent d ln. Percent d ln. Sorry for that, I have forget to put this. This must be initialized here. This must be this bracket must be here. Okay, closing tag. Yeah, this must be closing tag. That I should have given. Yeah, number 1 is equal to 199 up to 100. It will show up to 100, guys. It will show up to 100. This is the process. Now I am going to show you guys, put in the comment box what we are going to, what next I will print it, compile any program you want to solve from my side. Yeah, most of them are showing. Okay, 2 are saying odd number and even number. Any other guys, comment there. Okay, okay, this is about integer. Okay, I'm going to tell you what if I will do about alphabet ABCD. Okay guys, ABCD. Okay guys, for that it's simply same coding. For that I have initialized I, maybe I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1. Then for that, look guys, For that, I will request you to guys go to Google and type their ASCCI for C programming, and you will come to know that 65 AICCI value is equal to A, capital A, and 90 AICCI value 9090 is 90 AICCI value is equal to capital Z. So for the taking the point, you can just put there sorry, I should have to erase that. Now for that, you just have to put A is equal to value cut. How much AICCI value? 65, and is less than or equal to 9090, and then it will 65 to 90, up to 65 to 90 it will increment there, and print what we want to put there. So there number, no number, that is not number, that is alphabet. ALPHABET, alphabet is equal to %D. Okay, for that I'm going to show I will showing error. I will erase that. Okay, I will compile and run that. Is it error or not? Not error. Let's try to compile. No. Look here, guys. It is showing is equal to alphabet only. It is not showing what? It is not showing ABCD. For that, I am going to put there %D. For that, it will look alphabet 65, alphabet 66, alphabet 67, alphabet 68. It means I have put what? I have put the AICCI value, but I have not tell the compiler that it is a AICCI value. Okay, guys, AICCI value I have not showing. So for that, I am going to tell the computer or compiler that this is not this is C. The C is represent here ASCII value for the C program. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, it's also showing that it's showing AA, BA, CA. Okay, now for that compilation error. What's the problem there? For I is equal to 65. 65 means AICCI value. Highest is 90. Is it increment up to there? Increment there, it will increase. Print F function alphabet is equal to SC I. Now it should be the right, but something here is wrong. Okay, I should have to changing the line. Okay, paragraph. It is not showing the error. Yeah, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. For that, it is showing the answer, correct answer. But what if I erase the paragraph? It will show this like this. I guess this must be the alphabet A. Look, guys, this is also right. Yeah, this is also right. But what is the problem? What in first I confused here? A, this A alphabet. Okay, this is not changing the space. That's why I'm confused there. This is not AA. This is A, and alphabet B. This is not changing the paragraph or line. For that, I'm using here N. Now it will show in different line. Sorry, I have double there. Okay, it will run. This is also not wrong. Wait, what's the problem there? Percentage? No, guys, it must be right. Yeah, it must be. There compilation problem something there. I guess there are lots of coding, so my compiler is not working properly. Now, most of you are telling there or an even. Yeah, so I'm going to start odd and even. Okay, I'm sharing the code. Sorry. Okay, guys. Now let's move to odd and even. I know 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 blah blah blah. Okay. The 1, 3, 5, blah blah blah. They are odd, and 2, 4, 6, blah 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 are even. But the compiler, how to know that it is taking odd and even? For that, there is a function we should have to use, that is mode, or what you have, modulus or mode. I don't know what you tell, but I tell mode or module. For that, I'm using mode. This is more sign for the compiler. Okay, guys. Now, for example, 1 mode 2. It means what? It means what? If 1 mode 2 divide then remainder, it means there is remember. Anyone? Any the remember? Remember, the 1 divide 2 is must be the answer of remainder. For that, if if 1 modulus 2 is equal to 0, then it must be what? It must be even, because it is equal to 0. But if, okay, I will show the example. Okay, 2 divide 4, 2 to the 4. It means remainder is here 0. It means it is a even number. But if there is any other, for example 1, then it must be, in case it must be odd. Okay, let's start the coding here. First eraser. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. There are children, so they are making noise. Okay. For this also, I am going to initialize I. I is less than or I is equal to 65. In case of 65, I am going to delete all this, and first of all I should have to take input from the user. For that, I am going to print f user number to be check. Okay, what number you wish to check it is, if it is even or odd. I am going to take here. It must be changing the line. Okay, it must. Now from that, I am using scan function. It will scan. Sorry. %G, it will scan this. Okay, and I am going to initialize this. What I have initialized I have initialized, so I am going to initialize it as a I. Now it will scan there. Now I'm going to take if yeah, if I have 10 there, if the modulus is, yeah, for example, if taking the modulus, if 1 I is, let's take I is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is modulus of 2, which is equal to 0. If the one modulus I is modulus 2 is equal to 0, then I am going to take it as a even. Printf user number, user number is even, but it is not complete. Okay guys, for that I am going to initialize it as a what, this. For that I'm going to use it as a I. I will tell you slowly, okay guys, not don't be in a rush. Now this code is also not complete. For that I'm going to use it. If the 1 modulus 2 is equal to 0, then it will print what, even. But in case of 1 or anything other, then what, if in case of if it is not even, then it must be the or. So for that I'm going to use it as a else function. For initialize else what I'm going to use else as a printf user number is or user number is or I closing the list. Now in case of here I'm using the so it is the if function. It will the compiler is showing what, unexpected identifier or before token. It means the wrong. What is the wrong there guys? Tell me. Hey Ned, tell me. Net gaming. Only one is present in my Premiere Live. Okay, Net gaming. Can you tell me what is the error? What is the error there? It is showing on error expected identifier. Okay, look at here guys, this I is already there, then why you are using this? Okay, any other guys? Look here guys, bracket is also more, I guess. One, the closing tag is almost there, then this must be delete. Is closing tag this, is closing tag this. Now it will, I guess, run. Okay, the compiler is saying value, the main function is not using as a if function is not there. Why? Okay, Net gaming has answered that. What? I did not get. Huh? Yes. Congrats, Akash. There must be 2 equal to, because for that 1 equal to, it is not possible, or it is the rule of that compiler that it must be equal to plus two, I mean to say equal to sign, there must be 2 for that. Now it will run. Thanks, Akash. Okay, what you are going to use here? Okay, 45 is odd or even. The computer will tell the user number is even, so it is showing that address also. Okay, I am not showing address. Okay, guys, this address is okay. I am going to show only this much. Okay, net gaming. Did you get it? Yeah, 2 equal to sign must be there. 5 is odd or even. The user number is odd, so it is okay. Did you get it, guys? What's the matter there? So it is. It means the answer must be correct, but there is some error, is a mistake, is that the statement. So what must be there? So it is odd. So it is, or you can you can delete it also. Simply you can delete it. Yeah, look, what's the answer? Check 6 is, I guess it is the even. Yeah, simply. But if you wish to, but if you wish to put there something else, you can take there also. Take that I have what there I have firstly print f, so the number is I. It will show order even, but it's not necessary at all. Net gaming, what you want to tell me, which program or which program you want to? You are only the single boy work here. That you, Akash, and net gaming. Did you used to play PUBG or Free Fire or anything else? Or are you a streamer? Okay, then I'm going to show you about sum of number. You wish to take integer from user, or direct integer taking and direct adding? Akash. Okay. User, yeah. From number, sum of n number. Okay, that must be the easy for us. N number. Sum of n number, guys. Look, the code is initializing the same statement, but there must be some different function that initializing I, maybe any number, yeah, any number, but we should have to initialize another. This is, let's take n I, then let's take I. My name is Chulendra, so I am using C and space. Then I'm going to use operation sum. Yeah, so I'm using sum. This as a statement. Now print the user number to check. Okay, to, in place of check, I'm using to sum. It must be the easier. For that, scan %d in place of %I. It must be, I'm using here C. I'm using here %C. I'm using number. Now Now I'm going to initialize it as a this must be what, odd and even, yeah. Yeah, but this is not odd and even, this is sum. So I'm going to rough it as a Akash, anything mistake there? Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you what is the wrong. Okay, first of all, I should have to complete. Okay, completing, then for function, I'm using for function. Initializing I is equal to 0. If the number is 0, 0, then if I is less than or equal to what? Up to what? What number? Yeah, but the highest number I'm using, I'm going to sum is of n number integer. So I'm going to show you C. Sorry, C. C. Why? Because I'm initializing highest number as a C number. Okay, in place of C, I'm going to use, okay. It must be easy for you to remember n number. Okay, guys. Okay. And again what? I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. I is less than or equal to n. And I, for that, I must be what? Incremental. I must be increment up to n number. N number. In place of here, I am using operation, direct operation. Direct operation. What is the operation? In place of main function, I've already put the initialize there already. Now sum equal to what? Sum equal to what? What is the sum function? Sorry, formula. Sum is equal to sum plus 1 1 1 1, sum plus 1 not sum plus I have, maybe I forget. I is equal to not 1, yeah. Let's assume 1, starting from 1, then here 1, but here is I have initialized I. Let's start I plus 1. Okay, let's repeat the, it is the function there. Function must be the erase there. Okay, I will show you the error, but I will show you, okay, what's the error there. Yeah, percent d, here is not percent d, I forget n because I changed that. Yeah, okay, okay, let's run it. It's showing no error. Number to be sum, two number, here is f. I want to add 2 and look, the user number is to be sum, the number is odd. Okay, this program is not running, it's showing another previous, it's compiling or running previous code. That's why it must be error there. The sum to be 4, 3 and 4. It is showing same, the problem is same problem. Oh, sorry, here must be the user sum. Sum is equal to yeah, user sum to be given is equal to 2. The user number is odd. It's almost showing the same. For example, I am showing here equal to 0. What it will show?
I guess it will. Number to be sum 2, 2, 1, 3, 1. The sum user sum only, but it's not showing the value. For that, I am giving which function? The sum are 2, 2. Okay, the sum are 2 and 2. The sum are 2 and 2. That is what? Scan f percent to same here. Integer I. This compiler is running. Yeah, no error is showing, but what's the matter? Why not the answer is not adding there? The sum. Okay. Okay, actually, let me check printf user statement. Sorry guys, I don't have using the scan function. Scan the, but it must be run, yeah. 3. No. Something is wrong. The sum is equal to sum plus I. Scan f for I is equal to I plus increment. There must be the increment. Increment must be there for the integer string. Something is wrong. Constants not at all. Something is not. Scan percent equal to. Oh, guys, it's the wrong there. Here is the problem that I don't delete. I don't remove that previous code. Yeah, I forget to put here. This it will show about the value of I. Yeah, what I put, it will show in place of I. Initialize here I. Yeah. There must be no I. I have to display the value, print the value of what? Sum, not of I. So I'm going sum sum. Okay, let's check one time. It must be the answer, I guess. 42. The sum is 5 to 8. Ow. I don't have given the answer, okay? There is logical error, okay, guys? This is logical error. No, the coding is right, but their logic is wrong. What must be the answer? The logical mathematical logic is wrong there. The statement percent d sum is equal to sum I plus 1, or I is equal to something either need gaming. Anything else wrong? Percent d percent n. Why the problem is showing error? I is equal to 0 starting from 0. I is less than or equal to n. Less than or equal to n. I plus plus integer increment. Their SCM sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum plus I.
printf user sum is equal to the sum. So no. Where is either? Guys, this code must be right, yeah. This code is right. Okay, let's. I guess the compiler is taking something error there. Enter the sum to be 1. Just so user sum is 1. Let's take another number as which number I'm going to use it. 3 and 3 2 3 to 6 3 to 6. I guess it is multiplying, yeah. Sum I plus n. Sum is equal to sum plus the sum is equal to sum equal to don't think the sum is equal to it will show error in place of a sum in place of small capital S small s in place of capital N small n in place of capital N and I guess my compiler is taking some error here. I should have to move to online compiler, I guess, or Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code sum 4 5 10. Yeah, guys, this is the answer. Okay, guys, this is the answer for that. Okay, now let's check it again. Okay, if it is right or wrong. 56 and 3. No. I guess it is the taking integer, yeah. Multiply, I guess it is taking multiply. Let's run the guys, let's run to okay, let's copy this. Okay, cool. I guess this compiler is taking some error. Copy and let's move to online compiler. Okay, guys, I'm going to online compiler. That my compiler dev C++ is taking some error there. The all questions are correct, but showing the previous into multiplying also there. In place of I put here control B. Yeah. No. It's Java. This is Java programming. Java. I'm going to use it as a C program. C program. Let's delete and control B, paste it and execute it or run. It will little take time. It will take some time. Okay, this is taking time. What's the matter? Google warning return type default into integer would main function there. Okay, I'm using the main function, main integer main function. I'm using the main function there. Main function. Main function. I have initialized the main also. Integer. Taking some time.
If your program is input, please enter the input energy FT and more interactive. But result compilation memory kilobyte. C2. It is not wrong. No. It means there is a wrong in the code, I guess. Something is wrong, but I don't. What is the error there, guys? Let's check the one by one. Okay. Let's check one by one. Let's check one by one. Let's check one by one. In place of intervention, increment integer I is equal to and sum is equal to 0. Print f integer integer I is equal to 1. Scan SCA and scan f percent d. I is equal to 0. I have initialized I is equal to 0 to n is less than or equal to I. I is less than or equal to sum is equal to sum I plus 1. Print f sum no guys, it is wrong right from my viewpoint of view. What is the wrong? My compiler is wrong or the user sum is taking integer. The user function must be something else. Three, three, 32 and 4. 34. We put to it. Put to which something which we need at similarity. So my equal to 0 or I equal to 0. I is less than or equal to n. I plus plus scan f percent d percent d n initializing I is equal to 0. Print f user to be add integer n. Okay guys, my code is right, 100% right, I guess, guys. If you guys find any error, then you can message me here. But I guess it's right, yeah. Okay, one last time I go to online compiler. If it will not, then it must be right, but why it is not? something is something is wrong, guys. Yeah, something is wrong. Okay, the online compiler is also showing error there. Okay, guys, for today, let's stop here. If you guys can find any error, then can you message me? Akash, okay. Akash is also present, but the net gaming, okay. It will must be, it is not a matter, yeah. Studio.h. Okay, guys, let's stop, okay, yeah. Thank you, guys. If you guys can find the problems, what's that compiler is showing, then please thank you, guys.